Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Thanks for that introduction, Bill. Today we're going to be talking about potential and kinetic energy, as well as the implications of water wheels. Sounds exciting!
Wow, I'm super excited!
Let's start by talking about potential energy.
Wow, sounds great!
This tap has potential energy.
Potential energy.
This isn't doing anything. Potential energy is energy that's stored or not actually in use. There are different types of potential energy, one of which is gravitational potential energy, which we can see right now. Ooh, chilly! Gravitational potential energy is specifically related to the object which rests vertically. This means that the object has the force of gravity acting upon it, giving it gravitational potential energy. So the gravitational potential energy is equal to the mass times the acceleration due to gravity times the height, which we can also use to calculate the work of our water wheel. Once the potential energy of the water wheel is transferred into kinetic energy,
Kinetic energy.
that gets transferred into work.
Kinetic energy is the energy of movement. This can be seen looking at our water wheel. As we pour water on our water wheel, it begins to move. The faster we pour water, the faster it moves. This is mechanical work. Mechanical work is when one object exerts force on another object, making it move, like our water wheel, making our bucket move up. The water wheel is a nifty invention. It produces no greenhouse gases after it has been built, and it is much better than coal and fossil fuels for the environment and wildlife.
Wow!
The water wheel is 75 to 85% efficient.
We're going to calculate the efficiency of our water wheel by moving this bucket 30 centimeters up while pouring 500 milliliters of water from 30 centimeters above the water wheel. The formula for efficiency is energy out divided by energy in times 100%. You'll find out that our water wheel is 20% efficient.
We're going to calculate the power of our water wheel. So the formula for power is power equals work over time, or power equals mgh over delta T. When we calculate it, it comes to 0.1 times 10 to the negative 1 watts of power was done by our water wheel.
Water wheels were useful for semi-automated processes such as grinding grain and forging iron. During the Black Death, manpower was on decline, so there was a need for cheap and fast energy sources. This made the water wheel vastly popular.
Wow! During the industrial era, the water wheel developed into something called a turbine. Today, turbines are used to generate energy. The way turbines work is that water powers the blades, which generate energy to a motor. Today, water wheels, or turbines, are the most renewable energy source in North America.
Although turbines are a very renewable source of energy, they have many negative effects on wildlife, such as killing fish. Fish are blocked by turbines from moving up and downstream.
Sediments and chemicals from dams seep into rivers and destroy animals' habitats and kill off wildlife.
When visiting dams and water wheels, tourists use thousands of gallons of water per year for things like hotels, swimming pools, golf courses, and personal use. This can create a shortage of the water that is essential for the functioning of a water wheel.
That's a wrap!